Hello everyone, this is Fifi again with Summoner's War. We are having our second guild battle for the day. Let's have a look. Oh, just take a look at the shop. Oh, I just refreshed it. We have Zerenity. I guess that's how I should pronounce it. I'm not 100% sure. How many swords do we have left? 27. Yeah, we're gonna win this. Our guild, it's really good. I love them more than anyone else. It's just everyone it's so strong in our guild, even though I'm not that good. Let's see. I don't even know who should I look at. These two guys, this one and Hunk07, they're both from Obliterate. The fact that I know Obliterate those guild, even though they get disbanded, I think they are pretty good. I probably have fought Hunk before in arena, but let's take a look at others. There was one guy I was looking at earlier today. Not this one. Someone with Chasun and something else. Maybe this one? No. Was it this one? Yes, I was looking at this one, but his red. So I mean, even though I attack red, our guild's still gonna win because we don't lose. I've never seen them lose a single battle. Like maybe against Malicious and Absolute Void, and maybe Oblivion. That's the three guilds that our guild leader mentioned to me. He's like, well, unless we pull those guilds, they're really tough. Otherwise, we should be okay. That's how confident they are. I'm not. Let's see. The second one though, it's pretty easy. Not easy, but it looks like a bulldozer comp because the only threat here is the monkey. Or I can actually do, you know what? I can actually do, no. Let's do this because what happens is I don't want, I can do copper bulldozer, immensity copper bulldozer, but I really don't want lose my immensity because or copper, because if I do that, who am I gonna kill first? Well, I'm gonna buff copper regardless because my copper is not on will runes, and I'm probably gonna go after Chasun. And since he had a defense buff, I'm thinking that Chasun could be a raid frontline Chasun. So with immensity, with no leader skill, what if my copper can't ignore defense and this monkey goes crazy? I'm gonna break my copper, stun my copper, and kill it, right? So we're gonna go with Safer Team, Randy, Bulldozer, and Chloe. And the first one, there is an Orion. I'm scared. Okay, I am always scared of Orion. So we're gonna go with this. I'm gonna lose Lucian. Very likely I will. I hope this Orion won't move in between because mine is, I don't know, it's very likely they'll run well, but I have a speed lead. Hopefully it won't. If Orion moves in between, I'm screwed. And I should be able to pop everyone but Laika. And Galleon should be able to finish Laika. That's what I'm thinking. Let's just take a look at the first team one more time. other than outspeed it, is there any other option I can do? No, I can't Katarina it. Yeah, that's the best I can think of. Okay, let's go. Is this a yellow tower? I think it was yellow. Probably not the red one. Okay. From the looks of the attack bar, this Orion is slow. But it's slow doesn't mean it's good. It could be a tanky Orion. Galleon didn't violent. Ooh, okay, we killed Galleon. Okay. Theomar's didn't armor break? Jeez! Are you serious? Okay. And we reduce attack. Okay, we killed it. I mean, I can lose Lucian because I have other nukers, but I really don't want to lose my Bernard. Damn it. Okay. The everyone on opponent team is faster than me, except my Chloe. So I can let my Chloe move first. I have invincibility buffed up. Oh, you monkey, you didn't violent proc? Why don't you violent proc, huh? Let's see if I can kill the monkey. Yes, because I'm thinking this guy is using monkey and Chasun for raid frontline. That monkey's so squishy, it's gonna be a raid frontline monkey. Okay. The next one we're gonna work on is Vermos, because Vermos had dots, and sometimes dots would kill me. Okay, it's fine. She's gonna heal. I know she will. Okay. It's the magic of Vermos. Can I stun it, please? Additional fucking turns. And that was okay. It was 2 turns. No, I still need to buff the crit rate. Okay. Invincibility. Chasun with Fallen Blossom. I didn't really notice how much damage my Bulldozer does to the Vermos, but I think I can kill it. What? Fucking Chasun! Okay, stun the Chasun. No! I should have killed the Vermos! Now she's gonna heal to what? Okay. Bye-bye! Randy just ignored defense, did he? Good job, Randy. She constantly glancing my Bulldozer. I just hate and love Chasun at the same time. If my Bulldozer didn't glance that one, oh my god, Randy is pissed because your stupid Chasun constantly glancing my Bulldozer. Oh, you're glancing my entire team now. Can I stand this bitch? Ignore defense. You heal. Okay, I'm not gonna buff right now. Go. 4. Okay. Now I'm gonna do invincibility. And I think I can kill her with this. Okay, we're good. Okay. Was it a yellow one? I can't remember. Oh, anyways, my guilty won't hate me for doing this. As long as I can win, they don't expect too much from me, I know. I know they don't expect too much from me because I'm weak. Who's this? You. Do we have some loss? No. Why no one's attacking him? A Poland. This last picture though. Okay. Chiwu, Chasun, Theomars. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Let's leave that for later. This one. Huh. It's another challenge of Sierra Orion Perna. Was the first team. Let's look at the second one first. Okay. My two. Well, I kind of changed my idea a little bit. I want to put Theomars, Ameda, and Desert Queen. Because my Desert Queen cannot get stunned. So hopefully Orion would not stun her. Like, would try to stun her but not stun her. Maybe armor break her. It's okay. Yeah. And because she's quite tanky, not very tanky. That's her stats. She's on Revenge and Despair. Speed, HP, and that's her HP. It's like 32,000. The first team. Usually I would go with Immensity Copper Bulldozer. But there is this Bastet. Not Bastet. Jesus Christ. Just because I have a Bastet, I shouldn't call everyone Bastet. Segment. I'm thinking I can do no. Yeah. And I'm going with this team. Immensity, Copper, Bulldozer. Okay, so what's gonna happen is if Immensity moves first. I don't know, I think this Bastet could be like really tanky. No, not really tanky, like really high speed. But I hope I can move first and pop Chasun and Bulldozer pop segment. Okay, that's what we hope. And the second team, jeez, I don't even know. I have so many failures against Sierra Orion Perna. But we gonna have to figure out how we can counter it. Oh my god, this segment is so slow. I'm thinking it will be tanky, like shit. When would Theomar not violent proc? Huh? Would that even be? Oh Jesus Christ! See, that's what I said. It's gonna be tanky, like shit. Oh. Okay, she's okay. Oh my god, that's Theomars though. Is she from a different planet? Jesus Christ. If it's done me though. Our plan works. Whoa. Wait, let's just stop there. Our plan works. But the steel Mars is crazy. Oh, Jesus Christ. Do you think the two... That's how many bombs was that? Oh, fuck. Failed again? Oh my god, I'm going to cry. Every time it fails. No. Oh my god, what is this Sierra Orion Perna come? Fucking bullshit. Okay, this one, we're going to use that team. I don't know. I don't have another team to go with. Second one. Sierra, Tiana, and the red. Okay. So I'm going to go with Chloe. I need someone not to be killed. Like a not water monster, a fire monster. I can go with Bulldozer, but my Bulldozer, I can go Randy and Bulldozer. This Tiana gonna I think that's the best I can try right now. I don't know. Oh my god, that failure just destroyed me. Can't think now. It messed no. This Tiana probably like about the same speed as my Bernard. I'm not gonna risk it. But she is going to remove the buff on Marina. And hopefully Marina can resist Tiana though. Right? Too much hope. What you can do? I don't know, guys. I'm lost. If I lost, I lost. I tried. I couldn't think of anything right now. God, oh my god. Okay, let's try her first. A would endure. Would if I pop endure, do I still keep it or not? I don't know. So 花旦, please. Kill the 花旦. Kill the 花旦! Why'd you? Oh, Katarina, you just never stop failed me, huh? Okay. Oh. Can I try to pop something? What's the skill does? Attack recovers 30% of inflict damage. Do I recover? Let's see. Yes, I do. Great. Ooh, fucking Perna's crazy. Great, everyone just kill me. Kill me. Fuck you. Fuck you, Perna. Fuck you, Theomars. Fuck you. Goodbye, Theomars. You died with honor. Yeah? That Tiana derpped. Was that a sign from God saying, hey, you know, you are saved? Oh my god, that Tiana derp. It's okay. Ooh. This, Verad. It's quite hard though. Need to heal. If I couldn't. Oh! Shit. Couldn't stand it. I'm in trouble. 2 turns armor break, man. Okay, I removed my armor break. And I can heal. Sorry, I've been quiet. Cause it's just too intense. And I couldn't really talk. Oh my god. No way! Oh god. Am I gonna die from this? Oh god. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna... Okay. Bulldozer gonna move. If I killed Verad, I probably still have a chance. Because Tiana is not gonna heal. It looks like... God, I have the chance. Okay. It's a draw. Well, it's better than nothing, right? Better than lost. Oh my god. Okay. So, that's it for the skill battle. It's a short one, I believe. Sorry, my laptop just went on sleep. Probably not that short when I look at it though. My TOA is almost finished. I'm still on TOA. I don't rush at all because to me, rushing TOA doesn't give me more reward. Like, you don't get 2 legendary scrolls because you make into the top 100 list. So I don't care as long as I can clear it. I will do a video on TOA 100 probably on Saturday day after tomorrow. And I'll do summoning with stones that I got from TOA this couple days, as well as some as well as after Guild War reset, because I'm really hunting for Orion. I don't have Orion. It's just so, I don't even care about Tiana. Like, I know everyone wants Tiana. I know I'm not blessed with Nat3, so I don't care about Tiana. I want Orion. Okay, I just want Orion. No one else. No one else. Please come to us. If you're out there, you hear me, give me an Orion. Okay. Not much to summon. I'm saving it. I have 1 LD, 1 water scroll, 3 mysticals, and a little bit stones. Okay, it's not gonna be a big summoning anyways, because I don't trust summonings. Here's some arena. Let's see, is there any illusionable team? Oh, this guy had a Brandia. We can give it a try. Not sure if my Bernard gonna outspeed them. Oh, I did. Okay, so my arena team, it's not finely tuned, but it's tuned. Speed tuned, that's what they call it. So if I move first, they shouldn't have the opportunity to cut in between. Okay? But hey, Brandy didn't do anything though. I feel so bad that when I summon a Brandy. It could be the water one or the fire one, you see? I never get the right attribute in this game. Before I had a Chloe, I had Rena and Michelle for a long time. And before I had Orion, well, I still don't have Orion. I have all the other elements. Not dark, but I have that one's from the whatever that is, HOH. It's just so hard for me to get the right attribute. Chasun, it's no arguably the best healer in the game. I don't have Chasun. I have the water one, I have the fire one. And I crashed. I'm sorry, guys. I just crashed. So, well, I guess that's pretty much it. I maybe gonna record a video on Arena maybe on Sunday. I don't really do streaming because I don't know how. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.